quiz time. So make sure that you've got yourself some resources, a pen, some post-it notes, something to write on. This is all things that we've learned together. Question number 1. Name the 4 parts of our action research cycle. Okay. Name the 4 parts of our action research cycle. Moving on. Question number 2. What's missing from these principles? Remember, we were looking at those STEM, inclusive STEM principles. Ensure everyone gets what? And then the next one was encourage what type of mindset? Ready for question number 3. Which of these is true? A, reflection is a one-time thing. B, reflective practice is always done in teams. Or C, reflection is a regular process to help improve my teaching. Here we go. Question number 4. Can you tell me what is a mind map? How would you describe that? What is a mind map? All right, moving on to question number 5. Why are micro teaching strategies ideal for action research? Question number 6. When do children form stereotypes about jobs and what STEM means?